Welcome to this intro on how to use the Compare Report Suites feature of the Datacroft Adobe Analytics Component Manager for Google Sheets. First, I go to the Report Suites tab to select the report suites that I want to include in the comparison. Here I've selected just two report suites because this is a demo account and to keep things simple. Then I click on Adobe Analytics Component Manager, Report Suites, Compare Report Suites. Then it takes me to the Compare Report Suites tab. I confirm this, and a couple of seconds later, the tab refreshes with the comparison having finished. So now I see a couple of columns here. Here I first have a sortable index. I can also add a filter here to make things a little bit easier. So it starts with all the campaign, then all evars, then all props, and the end there we have success events. We can also filter by the type, dimension, or metric. So metric would give me only success events. By the way, all classifications are also contained in here. So for example, I see this evar 126 has a lot of classifications. Then I have a yellow column which is called differences. And since this is a demo account, it's not really well curated, so there's lots of differences. If this column differences is highlighted in yellow, for example, here we have it says that there's a difference in name between the report suite that we look at. So we see the name for this report suite and the name for this report suite are different. So here the name is campaign ID and the name here is campaign tracking code. Of course, that's a difference you might want to reconcile. Let's take a look at some cases where there is no difference. Here, for example, these classifications of evar 97 are set up identically, although the evar itself has differences in description and name. So the name is company ID in one report suite and demand-based company ID in the other report suite. In that report suite here, it has no description, and in the other report suite, it has a description. So clearly, big mess in this account, but again, it's just a demo account. In your own report suite setup, you should not see that many highlights in yellow unless you have a really poorly curated setup. But this is basically how it works. Have fun comparing your report suites and cleaning up the mess, staying on top of things with the Datacroft Adobe Analytics Component Manager for Google Sheets.